What's going on, guys? So filming a quick video today for my iPhone really fast. I've been really busy kind of focused on a lot of the back end stuff in my business, so I haven't really had a lot of time to put a video out, but I wanted to answer a question today from Jay on, reselling online and different sites that I've used and my experience. So Jay says, "Hey Brian, I have most of my products listed on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. I'm still gated for most things on Amazon. My question is, do you recommend or have any experience using any insight using Wish to sell on? Recently, I got my Wish store application approved, and I just wanted to see if you had some advice, if you have any for that specific platform. Thank you." So that's a great question, Jay, and I actually do have experience listing and selling on Wish. I believe I've only sold 4 things on Wish to my knowledge currently. That said, I actually did a video a while back that was called 20 marketplaces where you can resell on and, back online for a profit and whether or not they're worth it, right? So I basically outlined 20 of my, in my opinion, the top websites that you can resell on. And then I basically tiered them into tier 1, tier 2, and tier 3, okay? So in tier 1 was Amazon, Poshmark, eBay, and Mercari, okay? They're the 4 that are worth the time currently, in my opinion, to list and resell on because you're gonna get the most bang for your time buck, right? You're gonna get the most ROI for your time invested listing on them, okay? Now, in tier 2, there are plenty others. I won't break it down for you specifically in this video because you can go watch it. I'll link it down in the description below if you wanna go ahead and check it. It'll be at the bottom. But Wish is actually in tier 2, okay? So I've listed upwards of 100. I don't remember what the exact, number was. I wanna say like 105 to 120 or something like that. Items on Wish myself manually, so I took a day. It probably took me a couple hours to list a bunch of things, cross-promote them from, I literally took the Poshmark listing and then posted it on Wish, took all the pictures and everything like that. So if you have any experience with Wish yourself, you'll know that it is a little bit more difficult and time-consuming. Not difficult, but time-consuming with a little bit of the certain things that they make you do on Wish to actually upload. You have to tag certain things and you have to categorize them. Certain things, are basically indexed on that site differently. And so it does take a little bit of time. So in my current opinion, while I have sold a few things on Wish, it is not currently worth the time investment to actually upload and list everything on there, right? It's not worth the time that you're investing, which might be all the way up here, for the low sales that you might get on the platform, in my current opinion, okay? Now, if you do have a multi-channel listing software, one that I recommend is List Perfectly, that does actually cross-list to other sites and adds Wish, then by all means, list on Wish as well because you might pick up a sale from it. It's just all positives and no negatives at that point, okay? That said, if you don't have a multi-channel listing software that's gonna cross-list it, then it probably isn't advantageous to spend all that time listing to any of the sites, in my opinion, that aren't in tier 1, okay? So to recap, that's Amazon, eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari, okay? So you guys have questions and I have answers. If you have a question specifically, drop it in the comment section below and I'll answer it for you. And if I think it can help a lot of people and enough people, I'll turn it into a video just like this. Now, if you're watching this and you wanna learn how to make some extra side money online without getting another job, even if you have no money to begin with, even if you don't know how to start a business from home, okay? Even if you don't know how to sell on any of those major platforms that I just covered, eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, or Amazon, okay? Then there is a free case study in the description that will show you 6 proven ways to scale a profitable at-home reselling business. It'll break down each of those individually for you, so each individual method, simply that way anybody can take it and learn from it today. And then it'll show you dozens of examples that I've actually bought myself and resold online using those methods to make money myself, okay? If you want, check it out if you're interested. Make sure to stay safe, get better today, and I'll see you guys next time.